Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi Turbo 3 and let me share with you how to change the 3 buttons navigation into the gestures in this device. So let's start with opening the settings and here we have to scroll and find the home screen. Let's tap on it. Now scroll down and enter system navigation, and as you can see here we've got 2 different options, so the buttons and the gestures. Before we will set the gesture, a quick disclaimer: here you can customize the buttons, so we can mirror the back button and the recent, so reorder them, or you can manage this option, automatically disable navigation buttons when the status bar isn't displayed. So in order to set the gestures we have to simply tap on this animation, and if you want to you can go through the tutorial, so simply tap on learn and you will be able to learn the gestures, but I don't want to do it. Moreover, I will show you how to use them in a sec. So here, instead of the 3 buttons, we've got this line which is responsible for some gestures. Here we can hide this indicator if you want to, for a cleaner look, let's say. Here we've got the gesture confirmation, so basically sometimes if you're watching a video or playing a game, you will have to confirm your gesture by doubling it, so you will have to do something twice. Here we've got the demos, etc. Alright, so now how to use the gestures. If you want to get back to the previous page, just like by using the back button, you have to swipe your finger from the side to the center until you see this arrow and then release the finger. And as you can see, we will go back. And the same situation from the right side. If you want to, you can get back directly to the home page. So swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and make sure that this gesture is quick and short, something like that. And if you want to open the recents, repeat the gesture, however, elongate it and hold your finger somewhere here, like that. And after releasing, you can see the recents. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.